Namaste. Ciao, it's Ellie and welcome to a new chair yoga video. In today's practice, we are targeting the lower back, releasing pain and tension through stretches our deep muscle QL, quadratus lumborum, and the muscle between the ribs. You know, this is a very deep muscle, rectangular shape, and if it's tight, you can feel pain. We are going to do some lateral bends and twisting. Remember, be gentle with yourself, respect your anatomy, and follow your breath. Let's start. Sitting in our chair. Keep your feet under your knees, shoulders and hips in one line, and your back is nice and tall. Shoulders are relaxed, down and away from your ears. Close your eyes, and you are feeling taller today. Just breathe normally through your nose, in and out. And through your breathing, you can relax your body. You can relax your shoulders. You can let go all the thoughts. Everything that you don't need now. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Take 3 breaths through your nose, deep and slow. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling, exhaling. Another one. Now wrap your palms, creating some energy, some heat. And then place your palms over your lumbar spine and feel the energy go through. And breathe. Keep your shoulders down. Focusing on that part of your body. Bringing awareness in this present moment, here and now. And release your hands on the side. Bring your arms down, palms facing up, inhaling, big circle up. Extend your arms, palms together in front of your heart center. And again, other 2 times. Inhaling, big circle. Extend your arms, shoulders down, and palms to your heart center. Another time. This time, come back up. Interlace your fingers and bring your palms up and out. Shoulders down. Stay here for 3 deep, long breaths. Extend your arms. We are stretching our lumbar spine. release your arms down. Move your shoulders, rotating them. In both directions. Interlace your fingers and make a movement like a wave, the waves of the sea, of the ocean, moving your wrists, your elbows, your shoulders. And release everything. Come back up with your arms, big, big circle. Interlace your fingers, palms facing up, out. Inhaling, exhaling, bend on the left. Inhaling, come back and bend on the right. Other 2 times. This time, go on the right, stay here, gaze up, open your shoulder, feel the stretch on the left side of your ribs, on your spine, feel the stretch of your QL, quadratus, lumborum. Breathe. Next is an inhalation, come back up and go on the left. Looking up, engage your core, your belly is in to protect your spine, your back. Breathe deep and long. And come back up and slowly release your arms. You can move your arms up and down. Inhaling and exhaling down. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling and exhaling. Another time. Excellent. Now, cross your right leg over your left leg, flexing your foot, and bring your left hand outside of your right thigh, right hand on the back of your chair. Inhaling, lengthening through your spine. Exhaling, twist on the right. Looking on your right shoulder. Stay here, 5 deep, long breaths. Feel the stretch, feel the twist. Inhaling, lengthen through your spine, exhaling, twist. Another breath here. With the next inhalation, come back to the center. Release your leg. You can shake your legs. And change leg. Left leg over your right. Flexing your foot. Right hand outside of your left thigh. Left hand on the back of the chair. Grab the chair. First, lengthen through your spine. Exhale, twisting on the left. Stay here, 5 breaths. We are working on our deep muscle, QL. the next inhalation, come back to the center. Release your legs. You can rotate your ankles a few times, one way and the other way. You can lift up your heels and bring them down, up and down. You can place your hands on the side of the chair a few times. Breathe through your nose, in and out. Great job. Now widen your legs. You can sit on the edge of the chair. Your toes are pointing out, your heels are pointing in. Hands on your thighs. Inhaling and exhaling, lean forward. Come back up and down. Inhaling and exhaling down. Another 3 times. Stay with me, stay with your breathing. Next time, hold the pose, shoulders down, elbows back. Spine is nice and long. And breathe other 3 breaths through your nose. And slowly come back up. You can close your legs. Another twist, right hand outside your left thigh. Left hand can go on the back of the chair. Inhaling, lengthen through your spine. Exhaling, twist. 3 breaths here. Remember your spine, nice and long. And slowly come back to the center and change. Left hand, right thigh, right hand, back. Inhale, lengthen through your spine, exhale, twisting, looking at your right shoulder. 3 breaths here. And in the next inhalation, come back to the center. You can move your legs, extend one leg and the other one. And come back to the center. Now, extend your left leg out. Your feet is on your mat. Your hips are straight. Left hand on your leg, left leg. Inhaling, raise up your right arm over your head. Exhale, side bend. Stay here. 5 breaths. Open your shoulder. Extend your arm. Chest out and up. And slowly come back with your arm down and leg to the center. 1 breath here. Sigh out. Extend your right leg out of the chair, keeping your hips straight. Right arm Right hand on the leg, inhaling, raise up your left arm over your head, exhaling, side bend. Stay here, looking up. Feel the stretch on the left side and breathe deeply. Bring your chest up, your heart out. Another breath. And slowly come back to the center. Lift up your right leg and bring your heel over your left knee. Hands on your right leg. You can stay here, pressing down with your right hand, or you can lean forward. Hold the pose, 3 breaths here. We are releasing tension from the hip, from the right hip. And slowly come back up. Release your right leg and switch leg. Left hand are pressing down. Inhaling, lengthen to your spine. Exhaling, lean forward. Stay here. 3 deep, long breaths through your nose, in and out. And gently bring your torso up and your left leg down. You can shake your legs. You can move your feet to some circle in both directions and come back down. You can sit back just for a few moments. Bring your palms facing up, close your eyes, just for a few moments. Connecting yourself with your breathing. Relaxing your body. You can stay longer if you wish. Otherwise, start moving your fingers and your toes. Extend your arms and your legs out. And slowly bring your palms together in front of your heart center and your legs down. Thank you for watching me today. It's always an honor sharing my energy with you. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.